Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some Snow White chocolate covered Oreos. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Okay guys, so in order to do the chocolate covered Oreos, the first thing you need to have is your chocolate mold. You can get this in any craft store, but I got mine in Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. And I also have these chocolate yellow wafers. Now I have yellow with me at the moment, but we are doing a Snow White theme, so I think it goes pretty well. But you can do white, you can do red, you can do navy. It's really preference. So yeah, and I also have it in a plastic bowl. It's just easier cleanup at the end once I'm done. I do have some shortening here. I will explain to you once everything is melted why I use shortening. And I also have Oreos, just plain chocolate Oreos. I'm gonna place the balls in the microwave. Now, for the chocolate, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to actually melt, but I do it 30 seconds at a time, okay? If you place this chocolate straight into the microwave for 2 minutes, it will totally burn on you. So just remember, just place it in the microwave, put it for 30 seconds, stir it, and then repeat the process until it's completely melted. The shortening does take about 45 seconds to melt, so you can actually just remove that once it's melted. Okay, once everything is ready, I'll be back and I'll be showing you the next step. Okay guys, so the chocolate is melted. It did take about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. And I do have my shortening here that it's completely melted. Now, if you can tell, chocolates come in different consistencies. So for example, this one is not so bad. Usually they're really, really thick. And this is just a little tip. When you guys are doing cake pops or something like that, just pour some shortening to loosen it up a little bit, and it would help you tremendously. Okay, so I'm gonna add some just because I don't like the consistency of it. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I do have my mold here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place a dollop of chocolate in each one, just like that. The next thing, we're gonna add our Oreos, okay? And we're gonna squish them down. Okay guys, that's how it looks. So if you can see, you can actually see the Oreos still on top. So what we're gonna do is just add a little small dollop right on top. Just like that. Now, please don't overfill, because this, you can overfill easily with this. Just add a little bit at a time. Okay guys, and now we tap again. Okay, so if you can see, there's still little, you can still see pieces of Oreo, so I'm just gonna go back, add a little bit more. Okay guys, so if you see, everything is nicely leveled. The next step is that we're gonna place them into the refrigerator for 5 to 7 minutes. If you want to speed up the process, you're welcome to place it in the freezer, and it'll take 2 to 3 minutes to harden. Okay, once I know that they're done, I'm gonna show you guys how you can tell that they are done, and then they can be taken off the mold. Okay guys, so our chocolate covered Oreos have been in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to flip them. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like little air pockets right on top, and that's when you know that they're ready. Okay, and all you have to do is just squeeze right on top and let go. And that's it. And then you have your little chocolate covered Oreos. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. Now that our chocolate covered Oreos are completely finished, let's move on to the next part. These are the things that you will need. These are edible images. I just googled Snow White cupcake toppers and I sent them to a nearby bakery and they printed it out for me. You can also do it at ShopRite and some supermarkets also. So what you will need is gold dust, and this is a mold, and they're frames, okay? So I'm gonna leave these, I bought these on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, okay? I also have some chocolate that was left over and a knife. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add some chocolate in my mold on the 2 frames. So I'm gonna be using these 2 frames. I'm gonna place them after they're completely finished. I'm gonna place them in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 minutes. You're welcome to use fondant. I like to use chocolate. I don't like the way fondant tastes. So this is the reason why I use chocolate. And honestly, I just feel it's easier for me when I use chocolate. And then I just scoop it right out. And the same with this one. I just scoop it right out. So if you can see that, I'm going to place it in the refrigerator and I'll be back once they're done. Now that my little frames are in the fridge, I'm gonna, real quick, I'm just gonna be cutting on my images. I use a scissor. This is only for my edible images, but you're welcome to use an X-Acto knife if that's what you have. What I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna So right here, I have some wax paper. I'm just gonna place them right here. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make these gold with our gold dust, okay? I have some wax paper right here. I'm gonna place them right there. I also have my gold dust. And I have a big fluffy brush. You can see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab some and go straight onto the frame. Another brush with some water, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the image and I'm going to place it right in the middle. Okay, but first I'm gonna see if it's the right size with the frame, because you don't want a big image in a small frame. Into the middle, just so it can stick. And then I'm gonna add some water into the back of the chocolate. You can add chocolate, you can add water. Either one sticks. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Snow White themed chocolate covered Oreos. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.